Folks are wearing hats or glasses. Remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
My health is really good.
It's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Oh, it's really loud.
Yeah, it's been a while, ain't it? Oh. I know that jerk did it. Put that in my bag.
Grab my feet, man! Hold on to it!
It's been a while, ain't it, Mama?
You got it, man?
Oh.
I wonder why you didn't put it on.
Woo!
Ah.
Man, that thing's jerky, ain't it? Back here in the back, ain't it?
Yeah.
Get a jerky hip shot going on. Man, it's a ride back here. I never rode in the back of this thing, have you?
Huh?
I never rode in the back. It's jerk. I don't like the back, do you?
I prefer the middle. You don't feel that.
Yeah, the middle or the... Here we go. Oh my God, I was going to go out. Wow.
Don't let me get the back no more.
You got my hat? Woo! Crazy, ain't it? You liking it though?
It does feel like it is back here, doesn't it, Beth? This tripod, it went really fast.
My hat, please.
Here.
Oh my goodness.
That's why you don't wear hats on this ride.
About lost your stuff, Mama.
God.
Wow, that was amazing,
really
guys.
Fast. That was faster than
I loved it back here, actually.
faster than it normally is.
It jerks you around, but I like it, don't you?
Yeah.
I had to ride back here again. I like the front and the back, actually.
Oh, you ride it again? Oh, good God almighty.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.